Welcome back. In this lesson we are going to take a look at why we need to indent our HTML codes and what are white spaces. So as usual, I'm going to create a new folder and I'm going to type indent and white spaces. Let's go ahead and create a new file. I'm going to name it index.html, and now let's open it in the brackets. I'm going to launch our web browser, which is Chrome. You can use any browser, not a problem. So we are in the bracket, and this is our page. So just to save some time, I've already copied, and let's talk about indentions. So as you can see, we have tabbed it. You can indent any element using the tab. So for example, if I am going to add bold, then I can use tab to indent it. The reason why we use indentation is because we need our web page or our code to be understood properly. Although we can write the entire HTML code in a single line without any indentation. Let me display you how. I'm going to remove all the indentions and making sure that it's in a single line. Let me go ahead and get rid of it. And we are here, and go. So as you can see, I have removed all the indentions and we are in a single line. So let's go ahead and open the web page. So as you can see, it's still going to work. We are still going to get our title, we are still going to get our paragraph, but as you can see, let's compare it to the previous one. So as you can see, this one is more readable. You can understand which are the top level tags, which are the low level tags, and in this everything is just mixed up. You can't distinguish between them, or you can't make a thing about it if the web page is really large. So as you can see, this web page is really large. So if I'm to just go ahead and add everything in one line, it will be very hard for me to read it or make a sense out of it. So this is why we add indentions. And now let's go ahead and talk about white spaces. So take this example. We have this paragraph tag and I have typed I love Udemy, it is a great, and we are learning HTML. So now if I want it is great and we are learning HTML in the next line, let me press enter as you normally do, and let me save it. Now let's go ahead and preview it. So as you can see, I love Udemy, it is great, we are learning HTML is in the same line again. Now let's go ahead and try once again. I'm going to press enter many times and I'm going to save it, and now let's go ahead and reload. It's still in the same line. This is because the HTML don't take care of, like HTML don't care about the white spaces. These are basically the white spaces. So HTML, if you use white spaces in HTML, it won't work. For this you will have to add some tags. So for example, if I want to add this line to the second line, I will use a tag known as the line break, and as soon as I add it, although they both are in the same line, and if I use this line break tag and I go ahead and preview it, you can see that it's in the second line. So this is basically how white spaces work. And if I want to add anytime, if I want to add a line break, I'll just go ahead and add another BR and it will just go one line down. So this was basically why you should use indentions, and why we should use line break or something like that instead of just pressing enter. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.